Nothing can be more frustrating when you sit down to watch one of your favorite programs using Spectrum Internet and you run into issues or your speeds are real slow. Well, in today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spectrum if it isn't working on your Element Smart TV. I'm going to show you a few really simple ways to try and solve your problem and get you back up and running again. Now, the first one is the easiest one to try, and that's to unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now, don't be impatient here. Wait the whole 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This is very different from turning your TV on and off with your remote control. This is what we call a hard reset of your TV, so make sure you do this method. The next method would be to push the reset button on your modem or your router if it has it. Not all routers have this button, but if yours does, give that a try. Now, if that doesn't work, then find your router that is giving you Wi-Fi and unplug the power to that for 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. This is very different than pushing the reset button on your router, so hopefully this will work. If not, let's move on to the next method. Move your router to a different location so that it's more open and it can broadcast a signal better without any interference. Now, if you're using a Spectrum TV app, then try deleting the app off of your TV. Go to where the apps are located on your system and remove the app altogether. Then reinstall the Spectrum TV app again. After you reinstall it, you might have to log back in with all of your credentials, but hopefully this will work. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.